In June 2025, the FDA awarded Sarepta Therapeutics the first public platform technology designation for its 𝗬𝗓𝗏 for viral vector used in 𝗬𝗓𝗏𝗡 signaling, a strategic shift toward standardized, repeatable frameworks in cell and gene therapy CGT development. This marks a milestone in evolving CGT from single-asset models toward modular, scalable platforms that support faster pipeline expansion and regulatory predictability. Long-term implications: the designation amplifies development efficiency, redefines the regulatory environment, and provides a competitive edge to platform-native companies like Sarepta. 1. Platform market niche value reusability and plug-and-play models. FDA's designation allows Sarepta to leverage existing preclinical and manufacturing data across multiple INDs, NDA, BLAs, reducing redundancy and shortening development time. Cost efficiency and investment case: standardized platforms mean lower per-program cost and risk, a strong signal for investors seeking scalable CGT assets. 2. CGT landscape evolution. Market pull: high demand for rare disease treatments, continued unmet need in dystrophies, metabolic and genetic disorders fuels market momentum. FDA leadership has expressed support for accelerating rare disease therapies by leveraging plausible surrogate endpoints. Investor shift: as early-stage CGT successes accumulate, capital is pivoting toward platform-centric companies with multi-program upside. Technology push: vector and delivery innovation. Viral vectors like 𝗬𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏, lipid nanoparticles, gene editing tools, CRISPR, Cas, and cell engineering are rapidly advancing, creating platforms that can serve many indications. Manufacturing maturation: once a scale-limited bottleneck, large-scale GMP AAV manufacturing is becoming more reliable and cost-effective. See regulatory shift: platform designation pilot. The FDA's recent platform designation is among the first formal recognitions of a vector as reusable across therapeutic applications. Broader policy context: combined with our MAT, breakthrough, and surrogate-driven approaches, regulatory processes are becoming more modular and less asset-centric. 3. Competitive landscape and top niche platforms. Powerhouse platforms leading the transition include Sarepta Therapeutics, our 𝗬𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏, pioneering with 𝗬𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 and potential expansion into neuromuscular and cardiac disorders. Regenxbio RGX-202, competing AAV-based approach targeting Duchenne, though recent data trails behind Sarepta's 𝗬𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏. uniQure 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Bluebird Bio, CRISPR Therapeutics, Vertex CTX001, established vector and editing platforms with potential for multi-asset pipelines. 4. 5-year outlook: platform expansion by leaders. Top 5 adopters: beyond Sarepta, expect uniQure, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Bluebird, Regenxbio, and CRISPR, Vertex to secure platform designations for proprietary vectors or editing systems. Single to multi-asset evolution: Sarepta, SRP-9003 gives LGMD gives Becker, Duchenne variants gives cardiomyopathies. uniQure 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, hemophilia gives metabolic, genetic disorders sharing tropism. CRISPR Therapeutics, sickle cell CTX001 gives thalassemia gives rare blood disorders and potentially organ-targeted edits. 5. VC and pay investment motion: 2025 to 2027, surge focused on platform technology value, higher valuations, and larger funding rounds for vector editing technology firms, for example, Series C, D+. 2028-2030, capital flow moves to platform execution, CMO acquisitions, disruptive manufacturing, and scaled late-stage pipelines. Signals: increased pay interest in scalable CMC assets and orphan drug franchises using validated platforms. 6. Prescriptive analytics: recycle investment peaks from 2018-19 cycle peaks. 2018-19 saw CGT funding surge, $10 billion year. SUMMA or YFDA's designation formalizes regulation of repeatable CGT components, shifting away from single-asset risks. Platform-first strategies are now the strategic priority, cutting timelines, driving investment confidence. Over the next 5 years, expect platform designations from major vector, editing systems, and deeper VC pay engagement. We recommend emulating 2018-19 funding cycles, capitalize on current valuations, reinvest in platform plays mid-cycle, and prepare for capital rotation by 2028 to 30.